Now in exercise 2.6, you're asked to expand and simplify the terms containing surds. Now when it says simplify, that means to reduce the surdic term, so you've got no perfect squares. So you've taken out things like the square root of 4, square root of 9, square root of 16, etc. And you'll find you'll be left with the square roots of numbers that aren't perfect squares. But not the square root of 8. And definitely not the square root of 9. So in this first instance, we've got 2 root 5 into 4 root 15 plus 5 lots of root 3. So simple expansion. I'm just going to multiply the surds out and we'll see if we can find any any perfect squares. Now that's root 3 by root 3, which is going to be 3. Now, root 45 is 9 fives. So that becomes 8 times 3 times root 5 plus 30, which is 24 root 5 plus 30 as my answer. Working through B, we'll multiply that throughout in turn. So 5 root 15 minus 2 root 63. Now once your surds start getting a little bit big, we'll have to start being a little bit suspicious about particular numbers. I'll have a 9 in there, but I'll come back to that in a minute. And that's 40 root 10. That will remain as it is, as will the root 15. And then that's plus 16 root 42. So you should already start smelling some common factors there that will come out of the surds. As I said, that's 2 times root 9 times 7, 40 root 10, and 16 root 42. So it looks like it's only this term I can simplify. 2 3s are 6, and 16 root 42. So watch out, as soon as you've got a large number, look for your perfect squares, your root 4s, your root 9s, your root 16s, your root 25. Generally there'll be 1 or 2 for each of these questions. In 5C, I've written that out in the expanded form. So it'll be 16 times root 3 by root 3 is 3, minus 20 root 6, minus 20 root 6, can't simplify that, but 25 lots of 2, 2 times 25 is 50, so I'll have 48. Take 40 root 6 plus 50 as my answer, which of course I should have written as 98. Take 40 root 6. Now in D, we shouldn't lose sight of the fact that we still have to pay attention to our algebra. So this is in the form of difference of 2 squares. So straight away, we should be concentrating on the square of the first term and take the square of the second term. So it becomes 9 times 5, which is 45. Take 4 times 11, which is going to be 44, which of course is 1 as my final answer. So even though we're dealing with surds, we still keep our regular algebra.